Prowatch-X, a watch from Lava that comes at a price point of 5,000. A fitness band that disguises in a body of smartwatch. Should you consider it? Talking about the quality, it comes with an aluminum body and plastic bag. In the bag there will get a sensor. The protection is Corning Gorilla Glass 3. It comes with a standard strap and in the box you only get one, but you can change it with any third party strap also that you like. Now, the watch is looks wise good, round dial, little classic vibe. Talking about the display, it comes with a 1.3-inch AMOLED display with decent outdoor brightness. It comes with Lava's own app connective tech. The app is good, well organized. Talking about the sensors, it comes with SpO2 sensor, heart rate count, sleep count, etc. The special ability the watch have is heart rate variability. It actually counts your different heart rate at different time of the day and give you average graph. It also comes with VO2 max that very useful for sport person. If you know it's good, or I try to make a video on VO2 max later. Talking about other features, the watch comes with some other sensors also. Just like the watch comes with inbuilt GPS, inbuilt compass, barometer sensor, altitude meter that very useful for hikers. Also, it comes with AQI notification, but to use it you have to connect it with your smartphone. It use your smartphone data and just display it on your watch. Talking about the bad things, I don't like the software very much. It is not well optimized and there are so many ghost touches where the watch does not recognize the touch. There are too much options but most of them are not so much useful. And also a main problem is that it don't come with the adaptive brightness, so you have to manually adjust the brightness from the control bar. And there are so many lack of features, especially it does not come with raise to wake, where if you turn your hand it does not open. It have the option but it does not work properly. So would you consider it? If you want, you can check it, but if you really want a smartwatch, just go for Galaxy Watch FE.